In the London Borough of Ealing, waste and recycling must be handled correctly. As an Ealing Clean professional, it's essential that you follow the council's system exactly. This keeps the home organised, prevents contamination, and ensures that bins are collected every week without problems. When you replace a rubbish bag inside the home, pay close attention to the type of waste you are handling. Most households will have 2 or 3 different waste categories, each with its own bin outside. General household rubbish must go into a black bin bag, and then into home's black wheelie bin. This is where you dispose of anything that cannot be recycled. Food wrappers, soft plastics, nappies, polystyrene, mixed waste, and anything dirty or contaminated. The black bin is for rubbish only, and no recycling should ever be placed inside it. Recycling works differently. Ealing uses a blue recycling bin for most clean, dry, recyclable items. This includes paper, cardboard, plastic bottles and tubs, food tins, drink cans, clean foil, cartons, and glass bottles. These items must be loose, not inside a black sack or any kind of plastic bag. If you put black bagged waste into the recycling bin, the entire load can be rejected by the council. If the client has items such as old clothing, shoes, or batteries, these should be placed in a small tied bag and set on top of the blue bin. Ealing Council collects these separately. Food waste is also handled separately. Most clients will have a small kitchen caddy lined with newspaper or a compostable liner. All food scraps go into this caddy: vegetable peelings, leftovers, bones, tea bags, and coffee grounds. At the end of your visit, empty the caddy into the outdoor food waste bin. Never line the food bin with a plastic bag, and never mix food waste into the black or blue bins. Some homes will also have a garden waste bin for leaves, branches, and other outdoor materials. This is usually a brown or green wheelie bin. Only use this bin for natural garden waste. If you are unsure, ask the client. Every council area has specific collection days. The client will often know the schedule, and many homes will have stickers on the bins with collection information. When placing bins outside, always make sure the lid is fully closed. Ealing Council will not collect bins that are overflowing or have extra bags placed beside them. If you come across anything unusual inside the home, such as bags sitting beside the kitchen bin, boxes near the hallway, or old food in the fridge, do not assume these are rubbish. Check with the client before throwing anything away. Never throw out receipts, letters, or items that look like packaging but may contain something important. When in doubt, ask. Correct waste handling is a simple task, but it requires care and attention. When you follow these steps, you help the client maintain a clean, safe, and organized home. You also show professionalism and reliability, which is a core expectation at Ealing Clean. Your goal is not only to clean the property, but also to protect it, respect the client's belongings, and handle waste responsibly. This is the standard we uphold in every home.